predicting molecular arrangement based on electron pairs. In this problem, it says which of the following is not one of the 5 basic shapes in molecules with 0 non-bonding electrons. So the ones that have non-bonding electrons, which means basically no lone pairs. That's what they're trying to say here, no lone pairs. So we have to remember the shapes that have no lone pairs. Linear is one of those shapes that has no lone pairs, that can have no lone pairs. Trigonal planar also, so this is actually 2 bonds here, which is 2 orbitals, 3 bonds, 3 orbitals that we're dealing with. Here, trigonal bipyramidal changes the types of bonds that we have. And then octahedral also changes the type of bond we have. We have 6 bonds here. So pyramidal, though, usually means trigonal pyramidal. So when you see pyramidal, you should think trigonal pyramidal. And that means it has 1 lone pair and 3 bonds. And when we see that, that means it kind of has a shape where it has let's say NH3 or something like that. It has a shape where it's coming out, and notice I'm shading it in to represent that it's coming out at us, and H, and it has a lone pair up here. This shape is going to be a trigonal pyramidal shape because this shape represents a 1 lone pair and the 3 bonds. And notice we're looking for 5 basic shapes that have no lone pairs, kind of like a family. And linear has its own family, trigonal planar has its own family, trigonal bipyramidal, and octahedral have its own family. So, but trigonal pyramidal has 3 bonds, but has also 1, kind of falls into the tetrahedral family, but notice the tetrahedral would have an atom here, not a lone pair. So C is the one that is not one of the 5 basic ones because it has a lone pair.